On today's episode, I want to talk about flush baseboard details. We've all seen it, we've all done it, but we've taken significant steps to improve it. And here you can actually see our little mock-up. This is going to be our wood baseboard with our aluminum shadow reveal, and then our blue board on top. And I use blue board, a lot of you guys ask. We do a full veneer coat plaster over this blue board. In this case, it's actually going to be 3/16. So here's a small mock-up, but for a little bit more detail, let's take a look at the drawing. So we're working with the guys over at Zephyr Architects, and really they're helping us put our ideas and our thoughts down on paper. So what we're looking at is our typical door casing detail. This is an elevation of a door, and what you can see is our, I'm going to point here, this is going to be our wall board, and below here is our baseboard. And that half-inch shadow gap that we mentioned for this flush base detail actually is running continuous all the way through our door, because remember, this right here is our door. A little side note, for some architectural interest in the door rather than a flat slab, they've actually continued that detail all the way around. What I want to talk about is this specifically. So if we go up to, kind of an up-close version, you can see this view with that half-inch shadow gap that runs continuous through the door. It's more complicated than you might think because of this area right here. Typically you would have a jamb that would interrupt that. We've taken significant measures and kind of really a lot of considerations on how we can avoid interrupting that. And we're gonna jump over with Pat here. Patrick's working on laying out his next cut. Patrick, I want to interrupt you. I want to take this and put it in place because I know you've already gotten this one taken care of, and I'd love to show them how this is all going to come together in this corner to understand really the complexity of what you have going on here. Okay. So let's do that. This is an easy jamb product that we're using, and this is a trimless door jamb, which allows us to install this plastered in place. Here's our mock-up. And this is our baseboard with our shadow reveal. This is going to sit tight to the floor. And that shadow reveal is going to be connected to the blue board. And you can see when that...
We're kind of cutting it as we go and fitting it in place.
Yep.
But basically the first step in this process is setting our door jambs. Getting all our head heights level so that all the doors are in the same plane. And
that's really important because some of these doors are in swing and out swing. So to reiterate, setting everything up front first allows you to then focus on just the baseboard, all in kind of one sequence, right?
Right. And you don't have trim like traditionally, so you can't even hide it in the trim. So everything has to be, perfect starting up there.
Sure.
And then we bring it down here, and then we set our heights of our baseboard.
When you say set your height of the baseboard, we're in a room where the floors might be not level. We're gonna find our lowest point, and if our baseboard detail in this case is 4 3/4 inches tall, that lowest point in the room is 4 3/4, and everything else that deviates is kind of scribed out of that 4 3/4.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And this is happens to be our control point right here. These two doors. This is our low point here. So we have a full baseboard 4 3/4 at this point. One of the initial steps in our baseboard is notching out this rabbet for our mud flange. And basically the thickness of this part of our notch is the thickness of blue board. And in some cases we have soundproofing layer, so we have to account for that as well. So this plane is the face of our blue board, so that when we install it tight to our framing, our mud flange easily slides right over it, and we can then epoxy in from our mud flange to our baseboard. And it's crucial that the face of our baseboard and the face of this bead here are in the same plane.
What is this the face of?
So this would be the face of our finished plaster. In this case, we're accounting for 3/16 of plaster. And that's actually what this, from the back side of our mud flange to the front of our bead, is 3/16.
So we have a couple control points here. This is finished plaster, this edge on this is going to be finished plaster, and this bead here is finished plaster.
Exactly.
And then any area that is being plastered is obviously lower. This is a really crucial connection to have longevity. We actually have 3 materials that we're working with. We're actually working with steel, aluminum, and wood.
Right.
So we had to be specific with what type of epoxy we could use that would work with all 3 and give us a really structural bond.
Yeah, and that's, as you said, that's crucial because there's going to be movement. We actually cut a slot in the top of our baseboard. Dealing with movement, you can't avoid. In previous builds, you mentioned how the reglet was actually sitting on top of the baseboard,
Right.
and that resulted in, you know, small gaps, like nothing major, but enough to, maybe in some cases enough for us to notice.
Right.
And
Something that we talked as a team is, how can we improve on this? And you guys came up with an amazing solution.
yeah, so what we did was just re-ripped a 16th inch slot. We used a skill saw blade instead of a traditional table saw blades to
Yep.
get a smaller gap here, and that actually allows us to fit our reglet in nice and tight. This slides in, and then we're gonna use 1/2 inch spacers to get our reveal so that it's consistent all the way throughout. If this does ever move in the future, it's only gonna slide up and down. We elected to prime all of our reglet, which we're going to do before we install. So if it does move, you won't see metal.
Perfect. Now we're trying to tie this into our steel, easy jam, trimless door jamb. Walk me through kind of how are you making the cuts and getting this, and what are you paying attention to that's really important?
Obviously, the first step is, you know, paying attention to the height of our baseboard so that we can carry this notch in at exactly top of the baseboard. And then our secondary height would be using our spacers and our reglet and getting that, transferring that height over to our jamb as well. And then our depth is also very important when we make this cut into our easy jamb.
You can actually see that this is actually going to run through and be flush with our steel. So when you're epoxying this, you're going to actually epoxy this seam here. So we're making a physical connection between our steel and aluminum.
It's essential to get these three surfaces within the same plane. We are going to be adhering the flange to the board using epoxy. We're going to fill in this reveal here as well with epoxy and sand it all flush. And it's important that we get a good bond where our epoxy, you know, oozes into the mud flange, and we'll screed it flat. If there's any discrepancies from there, we'll finish it with Bondo and make sure we sand everything using a spacer block in here so that everything's perfectly filled.
And like we showed on the drawing, that's actually going to continue through the door. The doors came in as solid slabs, and you guys are going to be fitting those again, you know, door by door, making sure we have our reveals really consistent. So stay tuned for a future episode on that, as well as how we're going to continue the baseboard throughout this entire unit, including underneath and on top of some of these staircases that are really big features here. I think we did the math. You have about 40 of these to do in a short amount of time. So I'm going to let you get to it. As always, guys, we appreciate you watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next episode.